Once there was a little tiny hermit crab named Herman. Mama, let's play! He lived with his mama in a little pail on Mayberry Beach. Okay, why don't we do the crab waltz? They did everything together, and she even read to him every day from Grandpa's good book. It taught him truth to his heart. Well, one day it was his birthday, and his mother had a great surprise. Wait here, Herman, and don't peek. She brought in a shell that she painted. Try it on, Herman. Oh, wow! I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it! Thank you, Mama. It's so nice. Now remember, Herman, this is the only house you have, and you carry your house on your back everywhere you go, so you need to take good care of it. Oh, I will, Mama. It's kind of big. Well, that's okay. You'll grow into it. Herman had the best birthday ever. Well, Herman grew, as all hermit crabs do, and his shell fit him just right, just like his mama said it would. Herman loved to swim. He climbed up to his favorite rock and jumped in the water for a swim. Cannonball! Psh! Well, Herman was having a ball swimming. Whee! Nosedive! Ouch! All right, let's not do the nosedive. Let's do the front crawl, maybe the back crawl. Okay, cool. Up and down. Oh, look, here comes a fish. Hello there. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Not much for talking, huh? All right, up I go, down I go, backwards. Whee! And another fish swam by. Hello there. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Fish don't talk very much. Well, Herman was getting a little tired. He loved to swim, but it was time for him to go up for air. I gotta get up. Wow, that was such a good swim. Herman loved swimming. He shook himself dry. Woohoo, I love it. All of a sudden, a strange hermit crab came out of nowhere. Hello there. Oh, hi, how you doing? Doing great. Got a nice house there on your back, kid. Oh, boy, do I ever. Thank you. My mama painted it for me for my birthday when I was really, really teeny tiny. But now I'm getting to be a big hermit crab. Oh, nice, kid. Don't you ever get tired of that same house on your back? Oh, no, I love it. Well, why don't you just do something different for a change? Like, why don't you try on my house? You know, just to be polite. Oh, all right, I guess so. So Herman went behind the rock for privacy to take off his house and try on the strangers. The stranger loved Herman's house. I'm digging this house, man. I think I'll just, conveniently crawl away. And he did, with Herman's house on his back. Soon Herman came out to show the stranger his shell. Look, I got it on, I got it on, I got it on. What do you think? See, I got it on. Ta-da! Hello? Stranger? Hello? Did you jump in the water? Where'd you go? Are you behind the shells? He jumped down. Stranger? Oh no! I think he took my house that my mama painted for me. What am I gonna do? He crawled away, sad. Well, Herman crawled everywhere, looking all over the place for his house that his mama painted him. He was so sad he couldn't find it. I'm so sad. I wish I had my house that my mama painted. He was tired. He decided to go dig himself a little hole in the sand and pout. So sad. But as soon as he wandered over, he felt something. What's that? What's that? He looked behind a bush. It's my shell! My beautiful shell that my mama painted. Oh goody, oh goody, oh goody, I found my shell, I found my shell. All right, where's that stranger? He jumped up on the rock. Is he swimming? Oh yeah, I see him out there. He's way out there. All right, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to write him a nasty note and tell him how mean and awful he is and horrible. And soon his mother's words went to his heart. Now, Herman, listen to me. Sometimes people act the way they do because no one has shown them love. You need to show everybody love, Herman. You need to show those hermit crabs the love that's in your heart, or they'll never know. Herman knew what to do. Oh, all right. I know what to do. So he went behind the bushes and got out his paint set, took off the shell, and paints were flying everywhere. Well, Herman painted a masterpiece, just like his mama had taught him. Oh boy, it looks just like mine. I hope he likes it. And instead of leaving him a nasty little note, he left him a kind note. And Herman felt good inside. And he went home as happy as a hermit crab. Soon the stranger got out of the water and shook off. Oh, that was a good swim. Hey, what's this? He read the note. He couldn't believe it. Tears came to his eyes. No one has ever done anything so kind for me before ever in my life. He was crying and filled his heart with hope. It's a beautiful shell. It's a beautiful house. I know what I'll do. I will go and find that hermit crab and tell him I'm sorry for what I've done. Well, Herman was home, nice and cozy, and reading from the good book with his mama. I love this book, Mama. When all of a sudden the stranger came by. Oh, good, I found you. Oh, it's the stranger. Oh, wait, I just want to apologize. I am so sorry for stealing your house. And I got tears when I read your letter and you painted my shell. I am just so thankful. Oh, you're such a good friend. Come and join us, said Herman, and the stranger did. And my name is Harry. Oh, good, Harry. You are a friend of ours. Come and join us. We're going to read the good book, and then we're going to eat dinner. So that's what he did. Harry had new friends and enjoyed every moment of it.
Feel your breath. I have something very hot.
Hello, Ellie here. Okay, so our story today had Herman the Hermit crab. Here's a little for little Herman the Hermit crab. Okay, we're going to learn to write a little. First, I have a pan of flour. All right, you pat it. My assistant will pat it. Okay, you start at the top, go all the way down to the bottom, go up halfway, and curve over toward the honey line. Yeah, good job. And then you can pat it and do it as many times as you would like. Okay, and don't forget our is a line letter. And so practice your lines every now and then from top to bottom, top to bottom, and then flip it over and go from the cherry all the way to the honey line. From the cherry all the way to the honey line. Yeah, don't forget to practice your lines. Okay, and then I'm going to flip this over. We're going to make a little hop, starting at the cherry. Go down, make a line, go up halfway. There you go. Continue. They all go toward the honey line. See? The hermit crab loves honey. Yeah. Here's a big ha. Okay, now a big ha has lots of lines. All right, I'll hold your paper. Start at the cherry, go down one line, two lines, and across over toward the honey line. Okay, and one more. Yeah, there's a big. Okay, I'll turn over my card, assistant, and you can see that a big ha is like a big house. Okay? All right, good job. Voila. Little. Hi, guys. Okay, so I have a for hand. That's a big hand. Oh, my. Hi, guys. It's time for letter art. Yeah. Okay, so my assistant, we are going over the letter H, which says, for hermit. Hermit the crab. There's Herman. Okay, so we're going to draw him today. But first we're going to write our... Okay, so I'm getting a marker. All right, we're going to start at the top. We're going to go down. We're going to go up halfway and go curve over toward the honey line. Okay? All right. So we start at the top, go down, and up halfway, curve over toward the honey line. Good. There's our... Okay, now we're going to turn it into a hermit crab. Okay, so we got this loop, and it's going toward the honey line. Okay, so start down there. Loop. And then we've got a line and a line, and another line and a line. And then a little circle with the eyeball, little circle. And a dot for the eyes. Yeah, okay. Zoom in, please. See the mouth? Oh, yeah. The hermit crab loves honey. See the tongue? So we're going to include that. Okay, we're going to make the smile. And then a little tongue, because he's getting ready to eat the honey. And a little texture mark. And then we have a little claw, and it's going to go away from this little thing, in and out and back in. Start right there. Okay, come in and out, and then curve back. Okay, there's one. Then we have another one over here. Come in and out and curve back. There's our little claws, okay? And then this was done in watercolor, so you can do it in mirror markers. I used orange and yellow. Okay, so go ahead and give it a little color. There's some yellow. And be careful in those little areas. Nice. And you can color fast on the wide way if you just point to the wide side. Yep, that makes it a little bit easier to color in thicker areas. And then the tip is more for getting in smaller areas. Okay, and then the orange should make it kind of bright and cheerful. Just kind of some spots here and there. And my orange marker's kind of dry, so it kind of works out though in my project. Just kind of blotchy. Or polka dots. Yeah, there's our for Hermit Crab. Bye, guys. Hello there. I have the letter for hat. Hat, please. Oops. Excuse me. Oh, hello. I also have for hole. Oh my. How embarrassing.